Rough milling improvement. ZW3D 2015 SP version supports generating non-tangent linear link and lead to avoid extra helical leads. This is the result in a previous version. You can see that there are many red color helical lead-ins. But this kind of lead-in is not good for machining. It will cost a lot of time. From the top view and left view, we can see this more clearly. Double-click on the parameter and click Calculate. That will give us the rough milling result in the SP version. We can see then that there are nearly no helical lead-ins anymore. And in the isometric view, we can see this more clearly. And the toolpath here is perfect. Compared with the last one, the new toolpath will greatly increase the machining efficiency.